Thank you. The Philippine Suzuki Riders Club oath of membership. Please raise your right hand. I, please take your name. Swear by my honor, truth and conviction, that I belong to the Philippine Suzuki Riders Club. In all sincerity and with full determination. That I act in accordance with the rules and regulations. And respect the decisions and obey them. That I execute my orders honestly and meticulously. That I watch over its interest. Support the leader and submit to its authority. That I will not betray the club or any of its chapters and or members. That I will give assistance to any member of the club whenever and wherever he is in need of it. And that I perform all my duties towards the club with exactness. By all these, I do swear. Congratulations, Kuya Sergeant.
Oy! Yung tambucho, yung pinainit!
Congratulations.